Hi everyone, it is Antonio from guitarforme.com. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the riff of Eye of the Tiger. This is an iconic riff for guitar, and I thought let me show you how to play it. This is a different key from the original. Survivors, they do play it in this key. I saw a video, so I can confirm that. But in the original version, we're actually in C minor, while here we are in A minor. And we've got a couple of guitars playing the different riffs. Here I'm mixing everything. I'm rearranging it for just one guitar. All right, so bear with me. And again, if you are new here and you like what you see and you want to keep on learning how to play the guitar, I suggest that you subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you get notifications next time I publish a new video. All right, let's go to the chase. Basically, we're starting with this pedal, A pedal. All right, so it's the 5th string open and we are playing in 16 notes, so 1 E and now this is the slow version, obviously. Just to show you the technique, it's important that you learn it slowly and then you can speed up. Now the idea, how do we get this sound? If we don't know how to use a palm muting, this is how it is. And we basically just resting the palm of our hand on the lower strings like that, okay, around about there. And then we are picking, alternative picking, important. 1 E and 1 E and 1 E and 1 E. Okay, we need to get this to the original speed. And also note that I'm giving an accent on the 1 all the time, all right? All right, so this is the intro, basically. Then we go into the actual full riff, which is this one. Alright, together with the pedal, we still try and keep as much as possible the 6 notes on the pedal. But together with the pedal, we are adding now some chords. And they are staccato, which means we play them and we stop them immediately, alright? And they are the A power chord on the 1. Okay. Okay, so only on the first beat, but that's how we want to hear it. So we play it. I'm using just the first string, the first finger that is pressing on the 2nd fret, 4th and 3rd string, just like that. And we play the chord, we stop it, while obviously the 5th string is still going, all right? And then on, so we play on the 1, then we play it again on the 3, and on the last 16 of the 3 we play a G power chord, which is basically the same strings but open. So 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and then on the end of 4 we play again the A power chord. So it's 1 E and 1 E and 1 E and 1. Okay, this is how we want to hear it. Now I'm gonna play it one more time slower, and I just want you to notice that when I play the G open, I'm gonna play it, but I want it staccato. So I need to immediately go back with my finger and stop the strings. And this is very important that you do it that way, otherwise it can create some artificial harmonics, natural harmonics here. So we want to just avoid that. So we'll be 1 E and 1 E and 1 E. Again, 1 E and 1 E and. Okay, So this is the first part of the riff. Happens twice, exactly the same. The third time we play the first half, and then we go to these two power chords, E and F. Okay, so check the fingerings. E is like that, exactly the same like A, but we're moving everything lower, the three lower strings, and then the F would be like that. Okay, so this second half will be 1 and we're going to the F, and we all the F. Just like that. And then we got this other version where we are now using a different inversion of the A-G shapes. The shapes are actually this one. Alright, so basically we are using, we are moving these two fingers up here, okay, on the 5th fret, and I'm using these two fingers, 4th and 3rd, and this actually gives me an A minor 7, just for you to know. We are still playing 5, 4, and 3, and then when we go to G, we just need to lift the pinky and have that finger ready, the second finger ready, on the 4th string there, on the 4th fret, 3rd string. So these are the movements that we're going to be doing. So this section slowly will be like this. Alright, so this is the section. Now, what is very important is that you keep the alternated picking, that motion, always constant. Because now we are adding chords, we have got the bass line going, the pedal going all the time. So we want to make sure that we have got the right motion with the right hand. Otherwise, we are going to lose the beat. So that is the trick. Okay, to have down, up all the time. Alright guys, this is the lesson for today. I really hope that is helping you reaching your goal and becoming a better musician. If that is so, please click like, share it with your friends, and don't forget I've got a 4-hour masterclass dedicated to guitar, and you're gonna learn a lot of stuff, ebook of scale and chords ebook. There is really a lot of content. Go and subscribe, it's for free. Just follow the link in the video or in the description. All right, thanks for listening, and chat to you soon.